Hello everyone, you are watching Cake Stew Tutorials. My name is Toni. Today I'd like to show you how to make Jimmy Squares. Jimmy Squares are a nice dessert made from cake, buttercream, and sprinkles. To do that, first I need a cake. I have a half sheet in front of me, but this is way too big. So I'm going to cut that in half and create a quarter sheet. First, I'm going to put some gloves on because this gets a little messy. To find the center, I'm going to take a small spatula and put it on the end of my cake, and I'm going to push it into my cake. I'm going to do that 3 separate times. And then I'm going to do it on the other side. Put the end in, just kind of dig it into the cake a little bit. Do the same thing over here, and the same thing over here. Now I'm going to take a nice serrated knife and I'm going to cut right down the center, right between those marks. There. Now I'm going to take this cake and I'm going to place it on a quarter sheet board. This cake is still too big, so I'm going to cut it down one more time. This time I'm just going to eyeball it. I'm going to cut it into 12 pieces. I start with going down the center. I'm going to cut that again in half, and on this side, same thing. Cut that in half. Now I'm going to cut it in thirds. Just going to go about here and about here. Now our cake is cut into 12 pieces. Next I'm going to take a shallow pan and I'm going to fill it with jimmies or sprinkles. We're going to be using our Easy Icer again. It's the number 200. I filled a pastry bag with buttercream and the number 200 tip. Next I'm going to take a piece of cake and I'm going to ice 2 sides. Just put the teeth side down and I'm going to run the Easy Icer so it's not covering the bottom of the cake but overlapping on the top. I'm going to rock that in to the jimmies, pick it back up. Now I'm going to do the other 2 sides. And rock it. Now I'm going to lay that whole thing down in there. And that little hole right here, I'm just going to fill that up and just cover it with sprinkles. I'm just going to pick it up like this, make it nice and square. And I just put it in the pan. Let me show you that again. I'm going to take a piece of cake. I'm going to put the Easy Icer along the edge on 2 sides. I'm going to rock it into the jimmies. I'm going to do the same thing here. Rock it again. So all that extra icing gets moved to the top. Fill in the little hole. Just kind of shape it a little bit. Just put that in the pan like that. And this is how you make jimmy squares. Thanks for watching.